Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Business Profile for local SEO, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate your Google Business Profile, start by visiting Google's Business Profile page. Click on the Manage Now button on the top right corner. Sign in to your Google account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Once signed in, you will be prompted to enter your business name. Type in your business name and click on Next. If your business appears in the drop-down list, select it. If it does not, choose Add Your Business to Google. Select the appropriate category for your business. Click on Next to proceed. Now, enter your business location. If you have a physical location where customers can visit, select Yes. Otherwise, choose No and provide the. After entering your location, click Next. Next, you'll be asked to enter your contact information. Include your phone number and website URL, if you have one. Click Next to continue. Now, Google will prompt you to verify your business. Choose your preferred verification method. Common methods include receiving a postcard by mail, phone verification, or email. If you choose the postcard option, enter your mailing address. You will receive a postcard containing a verification code in the mail. This process can take a few days, so be patient. Once you receive the postcard, log back into your Google Business Profile. Enter the verification code provided in the postcard. After verification, you can now manage your profile. Complete your business information by adding your hours of operation. Upload high-quality images of your business. Include details about your services and products. Optimize your business description with relevant keywords for local SEO. Encourage customers to leave reviews on your profile. Respond to customer inquiries promptly to enhance engagement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.